I think life just happened.
Yeah.
And siguro yung mindset din natin na things need to...
Oh my God, tatanggal yung lashes ko.
Oops, di yan politically correct.
Welcome to Raw and Real, the podcast where truth wears no filter. Hosted by identical twins Dana and Stacy. The same fearless energy that defined plump.ph is back, now with deeper accountability. At the peak of the body positivity wave, they hit a hard truth. Being fat isn't brave, being fat isn't healthy, and body positive isn't the whole story. Preaching self-acceptance while eating in denial, saying I'm fine except me, wasn't honest, and it wasn't helping. At the height of wokeism, between 2016 to 2020, as the faces of the body positivity movement, they completed over 100 podcast episodes on Spotify. Now they're back, but this time on PGMN, not just with their brand, but with clarity. Born from a lifetime of twinhood, Raw and Real invites you into the unfiltered world of two women who've lived, fought, and flourished together through body shaming, cultural expectations, healing, and radical honesty. Expect real talk about what we usually hide: shame and joy, jealousy and softness, strength and sex, the systems we live in, and the stories our bodies carry. Each episode strips away performance, leaving something deeper: connection. No scripts, no pretenses, just two women speaking their truth, sometimes with serious gravity, often with blazing hilarity, and holding space for yours. This is Raw and Real. Tune in, unpack, unlearn, come as you are.
We're back! Okay. I'm so happy to be back, guys. It's been a long while.
It's been a year and 5 months exactly.
Yeah, dahil
Since our last upload.
March 2024 yun.
Okay.
Bakit ba tayo nawala? Kasi yung mga followers natin, mini-message na tayo na ba't nyo kami ginost? Ano ba mga sinasabi nila?
Stacy kasi.
Iniwan nyo kami sa ere, ganyan.
So, I think when things are difficult, or syempre pag may personal problems or challenges kang pinagdadaanan, ang hirap naman sumabak ng nagpa-podcast pa rin tayo.
Talaga, yun yung reason mo kung ba't tayo nawala?
Ikaw kasi, dami pinagdaanan, ba't ka dunduman?
Hindi! Bibiyak na na. Hindi binata ako. Ano ba? Hindi, yung sa akin like in my head,
Oh,
the
sige.
main reason why is because we wanted to transition to video.
Ay, yun pala yun.
Ano
Ganun lang pala kasimple yung
Ganun
sagot.
lang kasimple. Sinisi mo na naman ako.
Sorry.
So we wanted to transition to video and we tried, like, I saw one episode with Lou, or Beshi, sa Spotify na sobrang tsaka talaga nung setup. Naka-side view ako, asa couch kayong dalawa.
Ang dilim-dilim.
Wala man lang nag-ayos nung bahay.
Oo.
Tapos nakaboya mic lang tayo.
Yeah.
And it's hard. Alam mo yun, na parang, I really wanted to move to video, pero it's just so hard.
It's a full I mean, look at this.
That's why
Look at this stuff.
I'm so
Isn't it neat?
thankful
Oo.
na nandito tayo ngayon with PGMN.
Yeah.
Kasi sayang yung beauty ko, direct. Is that not valid?
I think there's a need for people to see your reaction kasi gusto
The
nila yun
requests din ng audience na
Oo
parang
na.
di ba kayo mag-video?
Kasi nga nalilito sila sa boses natin.
Oh, yeah, yun, direct. Nalilito yung mga tao sa boses
Okay,
namin.
simply put, they're like, ma'am, hindi po namin maintindihan yung sino yung nagsasalita.
Oo, kaya pwede bang
Pag may kwento, i-video na daw.
And then we tried and it was such a flop,
It
diba?
was
And
such a
so,
flop.
I'm so happy we're here. And the backstory, the kwento, why we're here now with PGMN is, so on my feed, lagi lumalabas sa feed ko si Rafi Zamora, who is the founder of the Legend Daddy group, community. Tapos, tinignan ko na parang, anchor siya ng PGMN. So, ang dami niyang kuda, ang dami niyang insights, ganyan, na parang it's
Kasi nga,
resonating with me.
talking head lang siya, di ba?
And yung issues niya, he talks about fatherhood. And, all the topics related to that. And so, every time I would watch his video, I would be like, grabe tong PGMN parang, this is the kind of new media that,
You were looking for.
I'm relating with in terms
Oo.
of their values, what they say, their point of, like, their perspective on a lot of things.
Tsaka to be fair, ang punchy rin kasi ang punchy nila mag-deliver ng script.
Oo, diba? Na
And
parang,
by sense.
and ang tapang. Especially now,
matapang,
in today's
matapang.
culture, diba?
Matapang.
So, I reached out to him. Siyempre ako, parang pag may mga ganyan, people who think like me are so rare. They're one of a kind.
Stacy!
Why? Do you know anyone who thinks like me?
Many.
No?
Depends.
Here?
Depends which part of
You
your brain.
think like me. The good part naman.
The good part.
The good part. Wag the bad part. So,
The-
yung spectrum. Anyway, so I reached out to him. I was like, hey, parang I just wanted to say na I really appreciate the content you're putting out. It's such a breath of fresh air, especially in today's climate here on social media, blah, 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 blah. And sinabi ko lang din na we actually have our own podcast too, and yan yung mga topics na din-discuss namin, blah, blah, blah. So parang I was like, baka there's us, are you looking for, kasi inisip
A
ko, gusto ko maging
writer.
editor or writer or whatever.
Okay.
Pero nilink ko din doon yung podcast para lang may reference. Tapos, nag-message din siya na, we listen to your podcast and our CEO wants to talk
Meet
to you.
you, oh.
Give me your number. So, parang ako naman, oh my gosh, this is really happening.
Oh.
So, binigay ko yung number. Tapos, biglang video chat agad yung gusto ng CEO na windang ako. Buti lang naka-makeup ako nung araw na yun. I was like, oh my gosh,
didn't know
video
that.
chat. Oo. Tapos, nag-video chat kami dito. Dito si Rafi, he was there. And then, yun, he invited us to come in, do a test
Shoot.
podcast.
Oo.
Tapos yun, the rest is
The rest is
history.
history.
Parang, ang ganda rin kasi ng principles ng PGMN in terms of like, your free speech, dude.
Oo.
Like, hindi ka sasabihan na, bawal mong sabihin to, don't talk about this, don't talk about that. And even if all the anchors also have very different
Views.
points of views. Points of view ba or point of views? Points of view.
Points. Ay,
Points
point of
view.
views.
Points of view.
Point of views.
Points of views. Basta
Point
yun,
niya,
iba-ibang
taka.
perspectives na lang. Perspective na lang
Perspective.
pwede. Ayun,
Opinions.
So, opinions, yan. Kahit iba-iba yung opinions ng isa't isa. And sometimes it even like,
Clashes. Opposites.
even if we disagree,
Oo.
parang,
Okay
it's
lang
okay.
yun. We can coexist.
Hindi yung sa social media na konting disagree lang, cancel nyo yan.
You're offending my
boycott.
personhood.
Diyos ko, ang OA na. Kaya yun, so parang it's just really such a blessing to be here and this is the dream, yo. Like, meron tayong direct, merong nag-set up ng ilaw, meron tayong editors na ang kulit din mag-edit, di ba?
Or tigilan nyo na yung mga soundbites ko.
Hindi, wag niyong tigilan.
Yeah. So I think one of the things na we're very particular about is the alignment of values.
Yeah.
When we give ourselves to a project.
Yeah.
And, having talked to the CEO of PGMN and seeing all the other anchors also thrive in their own spaces online.
yeah.
Parang, whoa, okay to, pwede to.
Oo. And the growth of this channel is just insane, dude.
Oo nga, to be fair.
Like 8 months, meron na tayong silver
play
button.
button.
Dude.
YouTube.
Followers on Facebook's growing.
Yeah.
And organic pa yan. So, it's really something
Growing.
to fear. Watch out. Tingnan yung mga ibang digital news channel. Ingat
Watch
kayo.
out, ay. Ano ka ba? Saan ba tayo nakatingin? Para tayo...
Para namang, yan. Diba?
Yeah.
So, there.
So, Stacy, simulan natin sa'yo.
Sige.
Ang may pinaka-juicing
Okay, so
pasabog.
what happened since then? My first update is I made some enemies. And that's fine. Alam mo yun, parang
That's okay. That's part of life.
happens.
Can't please
I
everyone,
mean, as an
yo.
adult, there was betrayal there and alam mo yun, pag di na kayo nag-meet eye to eye because differences na in values.
Bigyan mo
ganyan.
naman lang kami ng picture. Ano klaseng enemies to?
May clash because of differences in values and I decided to leave the group and then doon na sila nag-strike. Like, really intense betrayal and, the usual, like, ruining my name, silencing me. And yun nga, kaya nga rin, I love PGMN kasi merong post akong nakita na, who do you know who's telling the truth? Yung nagsisinungaling is always the one trying to silence other people. Diba? And I think that's what happened to me. And me, parang, I can be emotional, lalo na when it comes to, like, the truth. Like, I'm very passionate about the truth. So, nung na-silence ako, I feel like a part of me died because I can't tell my story. And ito na yun, this is as detailed as I can be about this part of my life. Pero, yun, so I made some enemies and dinamdam ko yun. Because I never really, syempre when you're with a group of people and you consider them your friends, hindi mo naman sila i-expect na to stab you in the back.
And I think to a certain degree, there's a period where you also gaslight yourself because
Oh, yeah.
as it unfolds.
Because of the acceptance and the belongingness na established.
Or parang hindi nila gagawin yan. Or,
there's that.
you know.
Being gaslighting yourself, I guess.
oo, yun nga.
Until reality just really hits you in the face. So yun, so I made enemies and I'm learning to be okay with that. I guess the people pleaser in me then can't una parang parang ako kasi lagi I look inward when things happen to me, like where did I go? Sure, sige, may ginawa sila, pero I also check myself, like, saan ako nagkamali, what did I do? And I'm very self-aware. I know also yung actions na where I should be held accountable. Pero it doesn't change the fact na I was betrayed. And I was bullied. I guess that's the best way to put it. I was bullied, you know. So yun, so that's my first major update. Ikaw ba, have you ever made enemies?
Not in the sense na pinagdaanan mo, pero I guess you can say enemies in the sense na they screwed me over. That's why I had to cut ties. I think that's the very reason why I had to leave Boracay. It's because there was too much betrayal going on. There was a lot of control from the actual
Conniving.
narrative. Alam mo yun, yung parang hindi yun yung totoo, pero yun yung press release.
Correct. I hate that shit.
And I've really given my all to make things work for the business in Boracay.
Yeah.
But I guess when it happens to you and it's with, ito kasi ibang level kasi mga ano to eh, and this is not to paint the church a bad way, but it's because mali yung thinking na we share the same faith, so
You're immune from hurting each other.
oo, pero hindi. The bigger issue is we're still all sinners.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, trapped in this flesh.
Yeah.
And walang immune, walang ganon na people, 'di ba? Yung mga umaalis naman sa church, lagi nilang pain point. Sinaktan ako ng ka-church ko, blah blah. But sino bang hindi?
Yeah.
'Di ba?
We
And
will really disappoint each other as long as we're here on this fallen world.
oo, fallen talaga. So when that was happening, it was so silent. The war, kumbaga, was so
Cold
silent.
War.
Cold War.
Cold War,
So
kumbaga.
ako na yung I removed myself from that
Ako
environment.
na actually Cold War yung akin
Hindi, ito talaga walang wala, silent war to, hindi lang cold. Talagang quiet, the quietest war.
I see.
Yung kapaan,
Oo.
yung nag-iwasan na lang.
Yeah.
Yung ganun, when the whole thing happened,
No one brought up anything.
no one brought up anything, tapos nag-usap-usap na lang, maririnig mo na lang na
Ito na yung
hindi ka na
nangyari.
inutusan si ganitong wag kang kausapin, yung ganun.
Pero question, bakit ka hindi nag-try to communicate?
I tried once.
Okay.
Pero kasi andon ako sa, sorry, pero bakit naman ganito? Parang ang linaw-linaw ng usapan eh, 'di ba?
Oo.
There's a proposal, there's a business proposal, the conversations implied na sarado na yung deal.
Oo.
And then the next thing I know, someone else was applying the business proposal I made.
Gets. Ninakaw.
Yeah, inspired.
Bait mo
Baka
talaga.
ginawang Pinterest board
Ginawang
yung
peg. Pero kamukhang
kamukha pati yung pangalan na
That's crazy.
Pantone,
Okay.
facade, gano'n.
Correct.
As in, gano'n. So, nung nangyari yun, I felt very devastated dahil halos isang buwan kong tinrabaho yun.
Correct. I know.
Di ba? I would call
watched
you.
work
yeah,
on that.
yeah. So, when that happened, parang, okay, Lord, maybe this is what it has to
Yeah.
get to.
To redirect
Kasi,
you.
to redirect me.
Kasi
Kasi
sold
hindi
na
na
sold
ako
ka na rin talaga
Hindi na
sa
ako alis
Boracay
doon.
Oo. Like, hello, you were willing to give your entire life savings for that project. I remember.
Oo. As in, all in. And then, 8 months later, I mean, grabe rin how God moves, no? 8 months later, the island was going through so much, I don't know, tourism issues.
Yeah.
Daming issues na lumabas.
Right.
Daming crimes na na-expose.
Tapos nakita ko rin parang the tourists coming in Boracay dropped, like, significantly.
Yeah, significantly. And then my landlord turned friend called me and
Updated you.
Oh, and parang nag-unload na rin sila ng property, nagpapatulong
Oh,
magbenta, ganyan. So sabi ko, wow, kung nilagay ko yung buong lahat ng pinag-ipunan ko doon,
Oo.
that would have been a very painful
See? Kaya trust lang
investment.
talaga.
Oh, yun. So, ganun din. Parang masakit siya in adulthood, ah.
Oh, yeah.
When you go through...
Yun nga eh, parang, I guess this was the first time I felt
Ako
betrayed this way. Kasi it's a group of people eh.
Yeah.
It's not just one person.
Yeah, I get that.
And these people are close to me and I know how they really feel about the situation. Pero yung biglang drop you like a hot potato and
Yun.
talagang, ano tawag dun? Yung pag two-faced sa Tagalog.
Kambal? Charot.
Balimbing. Yun,
Balimbing.
Yung talagang sa harap mo, they're pouring their heart out and talking to you about so many things. Biglang, certain power dynamic comes into play and then you're like, bintang lahat sa'yo. As in, ginawa kang scapegoat.
sa patalim din eh.
And you know, parang ako kasi, yung akin is, sige, I can own up to my mistakes and I can apologize for that. Pero kayo din.
Pero hindi mo ma-expect yan. Oy!
Sorry.
Yeah.
But okay, ikaw, ano bang updates mo?
Oh, nilista ko yan. Okay. Siguro one major thing that happened to me in the past 3 years, 3 years. Siguro accidentally hurting people I love because I got drowned. Parang ano ba? I got in too deep the situation and inevitably that hurt a lot of people close to me na I shouldn't have gotten into it, but at the same time it was nature.
Strong to resist.
Stacey, sasapakin kita. Sasapakin kita.
Why?
Oo, ganun. It's too strong to resist, and I felt like the situation felt very much like an entrapment. Alam mo yun, it's not something na, sabihin, can't divulge much, but it's something that is not easily, hindi siya yung easy no. Hindi siya yung ganun na, dapat di mo ginawa. Hindi.
Pero alam
Maraming
mo,
factors at play.
yung mga ganyang moments na na-realize mo na your capabilities of hurting people, parang in my personal experience, it really humbles me too. Kasi when it's being done to you, ang daling sabihin na, hindi ko kayang gawin yan, walang hiya mo ko, sakit ng ginagawa mo sa akin. But then, you're in the other side of the fence,
totoo.
and you're doing it, and you're like, what? Kaya ko rin palang gawin.
Oo, totoo.
So it really puts you in a, like, it really humbles you.
Siyempre.
Like, sasampalin ka talaga ng katotohanan na wag kang mayabang.
Oo.
Like, if the factors are in play,
Yun nga, naniniwala
Diba?
ako na naniniwala talaga ako na
All
this is
human
not a
beings-
confession pero feeling ko kaya ko ring makapatay given the right reasons.
oh yeah.
Situation, people, anger,
Oo.
hurt.
Tapos may kutsilyo na dyan.
Diba?
Oo.
Ingat ka. Hindi, diba?
Ako
Pero,
pala, guys, hindi ako suicidal pag namatay ako.
hindi, pero yun nga na people often say, hindi ko magagawa yan.
Correct.
Pero
But
given all the factors of that person's life, kung ikaw lumaki ka din sa ganito,
Oo
o ikaw
Until
na,
you're in someone's shoes.
ganon.
You know, it's not to excuse the behavior,
Yeah.
but it's just to really, I don't know, understand it.
Understand it, and one big lesson is that you have to be a recipient of grace to understand how forgiveness is why forgiveness is so important.
Na sobrang lalim ng pagpapatawad sa'yo na you should be able to like extend it to
Extend
others.
it and ask for it.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang it's so easy to run away from that.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Yung sabihin na natin na sige, shame is real. I'm so ashamed. Hindi ko na lang haharapin.
No.
Pero important yung meron kang desire for reconciliation and own up to it. Lunukin mo na yung pride
Oo.
mo, 'di ba?
Oo, kahit do it scared. Oo.
Ganun. Pero at the same time, the harsh reality that comes with that is not everyone will accept it.
Oo nga.
Not everyone will receive it, the apology, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Some people hindi nila kaya.
Oo. As in end na yun. FO na.
Well,
Relationship over.
But I'm hoping, someday,
Yeah.
God's time, ayoko nang bida-bida na maayos na to, ganun.
Oo nga.
Isa natin to, tol, ganyan. Bro, inom mo na. Huwag na lang.
Oo nga.
Kasi,
Huwag mo na ipilit. Oo, it
Sabog
takes
na-
two. It takes two. Okay lang yan.
Ikaw.
Ako, well, a major update na haltang-halta naman
Ay, ako meron din ako niyan.
is the weight gain. Dude.
Tumaba ka ba?
Sis,
Saan banda? Kit-kit mo talaga.
don't touch my chub. But yeah, so I gained so much weight. I gained all of it back, like losing 70 pounds,
70 pounds.
and gaining 80 siguro. I don't know anymore. I stopped weighing myself because it's just gonna get. So after the whole betrayal, making enemies thing,
Oh.
like, I really feel like my body went into freeze mode. Kasi parang hindi ka makapaniwala what's happening, and then there's PTSD going on na parang
Relational
you're just
PTSD.
you're just so stuck and traumatized that happened to you. Eh ako parang I turn inward eh. Yung isolation talaga, like di ako lalabas ng bahay, wala akong kakausapin. Iisipin ko siya everyday. As in, really
Kaya-
toxic. Toxic siya, alam ko. But that's how I coped. And of course, syempre mag-isa lang ako. So parang, isip ko rin, I started traveling just to get my mind off of things. And syempre with traveling, dude, like, I remember our 2024, we had 6 international trips. Tapos may mga domestic trips pa in between. And every time we're out, syempre kakain ka ng kakain, diba? Parang minsan ka lang
Di
naman
kain tawag doon, lafang.
lamon. 'Di ba? So parang minsan ka lang naman nasa gantong lugar, you wanna taste everything. So
All the
syempre,
Hokkaido milk.
6 countries in 1 year, dude.
All the Japanese
Japanese rice, Hokkaido milk, like egg tarts,
Yeah.
ano ba? Matcha ice
Sige, huwag mo na
cream,
enumerate.
chocolate, Japanese chocolates. I love it. Anyway, I'm such a pig. But yeah, so I gained all the weight back. Stuffing myself.
Oh.
So yeah, and now I'm dealing with it. Syempre nung una parang, and especially now that we're starting this podcast, I was like, God, ba't yun mo pa binigay yung podcast na to kung kailan ang taba-taba ako na naman? Parang, why? Sana nung payat na lang ako para, di ba, feel
You know why you want me to answer that?
Sige, answer it. Go.
I think you would have totally mishandled it.
You're correct! Ding, 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 ding! That is so right.
Diba?
I think I did. I already did.
I know,
mishandled it.
mishandle it further.
Yeah.
Hindi, kasi nga, I think the reason why the timing of this podcast is now, where we've gone through all that crap,
Yeah.
and we're not on a high, is because this is the place where I hope many can relate. Andun ako sa, ang mindset ko entering this podcast is, I'm not here to teach.
Oo nga eh. Dati kasi
Dati
puro
kasi
tayo
ganun eh.
preaching.
Oo, lagi
Oo,
tayong,
preaching.
This is the way, this is the advocacy.
I know.
My mindset is not to teach, but to journey with other
Right.
people.
And to be real. As in, yan talaga.
I mean, you're
Authenticity
really
again.
given.
Yeah.
Pero to really journey with others and say and show that, yo, life's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard navigating this life in your
And
30s.
it's okay. Oo, parang I just wanna be, I wanna be the patron saint. Patron saint. Kulto pala. No, I wanna be known online for someone who doesn't have it figured out. Kasi ang dami-dami ng voices na, I know what I'm doing, I'm the expert, na. Pero now parang, let's just
Yeah.
figure it out together. Hold hands.
Together. Yeah, why is it so
Together.
wet?
I know, I'm so clammy today. But yeah, let's figure it out together, diba?
Together.
And this podcast, yun din eh, yung parang, I really wanna start fresh. Like, Kebs all the credentials from the past. Like, I'm
Restart to
coming
hard
in
reboot.
here as a human person. a human being with a soul that's healing.
Meron siyang soul, guys.
Soul. Medyo maitim lang, pero it's there. Diba?
Oh, man.
So yeah, so I mean, okay, so again, going back no, so yun nga, I was in freeze mode, and I coped with all the food.
Oh.
Diba? And I didn't wanna move. Freeze mode nga eh, ba't ka gagalaw?
Ayun ba yun? Oo
Oo,
nga
yun sabihin
naman.
ng
Gets ko na. Gets ko na.
Dude, as in, I would just bed rot for weeks on end,
I know.
not talk to anyone, watch the full Diddy case, as in, lahat na ng interview hanggang security guard na panood ko sa YouTube about the Diddy case.
Then, nagkaroon ka din ng streak na may sinusundan kang story, yung everyday it's just Candace Owens. All day, every day.
Yeah, Candace, and also mga police body cam. I
Ayan,
love
police,
that shit.
police body cam. Yeah, you got.
So, when I'm in freeze mode nga, freeze nga eh, so ayaw ko gumalaw. So, nagbe-bed rot lang ako like 3 weeks at a time, obviously.
Hindi ka na nagalaw.
Kainis. Every time I look at myself, I'm like, who are you?
Ang arte-arte mo kasi.
Joke lang,
May face
maganda pa
card
rin
ka
ako.
pa din.
Oo,
Oo,
maganda pa rin
tsaka huwag
ako.
ka masyadong mag-ano dyan. Gusto na yan
Emote.
ngayon, in between sizes.
Hindi naman, parang ngayon, okay, where I am is, I'll do my best to look good in this body as I try to lose weight.
Yeah, tama
Diba?
naman.
Kasi parang gusto ko magtago eh. Gusto ko talagang magbalabal, mag-shades.
Wow, sa lagay na yan, ha?
Ang init though.
Pakita mo yung mukha mo.
Noon nga. Pero
Ah.
now, I feel like I'm getting into a more healthier headspace na parang, Stacey, you're not freaking, wow.
Freaking.
Ay, ayaw ka na magmura.
Dahil may swear jar.
You're not defeated. Parang, dude, pwede kang magpapayat ulit. Gusto ko sampalin minsan sarili ko sa pagdadrama eh.
Sabi nga ni Timothy Keller, sometimes the problem is we listen to ourselves more than
Too
we
much.
talk to ourselves.
Yeah.
Sometimes you really have to
Yung
talk,
parang
talk to yourself.
the negative self-talk was always like, nahit mo na yung weight loss goal mo, nagpataba ka pa ulit, what a loser, just die.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And saka very dark turn.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero some people will really go through different seasons with their bodies eh.
And
Bakit ba in-expect mo ba na nung na-lose mo, yun na yun forever?
Oo. Tinapon ko nga lahat ng damit kong malaki.
Tapos ngayon saan ka humihirap mo lang iya ka. Tapos ngayon lagi kang, ano meron dito? Sa cabinet ko.
Yeah. But yeah, so, you know, parang I'm just in a better headspace na, hindi, kaya kang ulitin yan. If I did it before, I can do it again.
And with the right reasons.
And kasi the first time I lost the weight the healthy way, kasi di ba nga yung plump story is through bulimia and anorexia, and then gained weight again, and then talagang ito fitness mode on, talagang workout, carnivore lifestyle, no carbs, no gulay, karne lang talaga, and all that. But I was living alone. Alam mo yun, tapos na dumating ka sa buhay ko, doon naganda leche-leche lahat.
Hoy, to be fair,
No, because we traveled the world together.
yes, but wait, let me explain.
Oh.
Sure, you were doing it the healthy way. Pero were you like 100% healthy in mind and body?
Yeah, why? Bakit? Bakit? Sige, bakit?
Sabihin ko yung legal
Sige.
or illegal.
Legal lang, gagi. Legal lang.
Oh, but ngayon,
Legal lang. Sige.
kala ko ba no censorship sa BGM?
Sabihin mo, yung legal.
Huwag na. Kakasimula lang natin. Baka ba?
Sige. Para naman
Next
i-look
time, next
forward
time,
to
next
yung
time
mga
na.
tao.
Hindi, all I'm saying is, I saw you pursue it, but you were also so obsessed.
But that's me. Like, when I'm after a pursuit, I really get so obsessive, and I've made, like, na-resolve ko na yan. I'm okay with it. There's nothing wrong with being obsessive.
Until you snap out of it.
Until I'm obsessed with not being obsessed.
Hindi, yun nga eh. Parang
But that's just who I am. I swing all the time.
swinger, I see.
Hindi ako swinger. Gagi. I mean, it's just intense for me.
Yun nga. Where is that balance though? Where you don't
I don't
punish
like
yourself.
balance. I don't like balance.
Oh,
I'm
bahala
all
ka na.
or nothing.
Bahala mo na, buhay mo yan. Buhay mo yan, sige. Push mo yan, push mo yan.
Dude, there are people who just really have addictive personalities and they thrive with being obsessed.
Oo
So
nga.
all or nothing, I don't think there's nothing wrong with it.
There's a lot wrong with it. Okay? All or nothing mentality.
Yeah.
Number one, it makes you be more of a perfectionist.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
Sige, next time tayo mag-usap. Agree to disagree na lang.
Next time mag-twin debates tayo on our hot takes.
Sige.
Sige.
Pero I just think that if that's the approach you want, na obsessed, I think in a way, you can also have much more intense negative self-talk when you don't hit your goals, when you don't hit.
I hit it naman eh. I just fall back.
Pero yun nga, gets mo ba? Gets mo ba yung point ko?
I don't know. Ang akin is,
Kasi okay,
what if,
sige.
wala, hindi nga pwede balance kasi nga obsessed ka. So, kunwari na lang with my food,
Oh.
right? Okay, sugar is an addiction for me. So, I go sugar-free diet. Tapos, kunwari, balance lang, tikim mo lang tong slice ng cake. Kain ako niyan. Tapos, para akong maloloka sa sarap. Sabihin ko, oh my gosh, sarap niyan. Bukas hahanapin ko yun ulit. It's the next day.
Oo nga.
Hanggat sa all meals all day, may cake
may
na
value
ako
yan,
yan.
oo.
Oo.
Pero, on the other end, ganto ka din eh. No more meat. I'm just gonna eat meat. Meat. Patikim nga. Oh, tapos magtinikman. Bukas na lang.
Kaya nga dapat hindi ko na tinikman eh.
Hindi,
Gets
oo
mo
nga.
ba?
Pero, if the balance is, just have a taste, leave it alone.
I can't just have a taste. I want the whole cake.
Oh, relax lang. Okay, fine.
OA talaga ako
Pero kasi,
tao.
ang problema naman sa'yo, kunwari, nag-stumble ka sa isa, the whole day ka na talagang,
Yeah.
like, 6 more
Oh, see,
donuts.
so it's really a problem. So, isipin mo na lang para talaga akong crackhead for sugar. Diba?
Not just sugar. Carbs. So, ako naman, one big thing that happened to me, and it really left a mark. It's something that I will retold. It's something that I will reshare because it's a milestone for me in the sense na I was able to stand up for myself in a healthy confrontational way because
yeah.
that's what the situation needed from me.
Yeah.
When you agree to a certain project and may mga bagay na hindi na pag-usapan tapos biglang ibubulaga in your face and then iipitin ka.
Ayoko yan. I hate
Ayoko ng
that.
ganun.
Oo.
Parang biglang, hindi mo sinabi yan. Hindi mo communicate nung
I
simula.
mean, sure, there should be a little bit flexibility when it comes to those things. Pero yung iba kasi abuso na eh.
Abuso to. Ito, definitely,
Okay.
I would say it's unreasonable, number one.
Okay.
Number two, I was put on the spot. Very on the spot.
There's no... Tama. Unreasonable nga. Sabihin ko, there's no valid reason behind it. Unreasonable
Unreasonable.
nga.
Oo. So, ang nangyari kasi is, I got referred to this publication.
Okay.
And,
As a writer.
As a writer.
As a writer.
As a writer. And, syempre, happy naman. Alam mo naman ako, parang happy egg lang ako eh. Pag maganda yung terms, pag maganda yung exchange, sige,
Oo.
on board ako dyan kahit peanuts lang yan.
Oo.
Kasi maganda yung deal.
Oo.
Diba? I look at the deal. I look at the overall. Ganun ako tumingin ng project eh. Ano bag, net positive ba or net negative?
Right.
Diba? So, nagpa-positive naman to. So, tinanggap ko. There's a big generational gap with my superiors.
Okay.
And it was starting to show nung una pa lang.
Okay.
Gaps in comms, ayan, tapos paulit-ulit hinihingi yung requirements kahit send na ako ng send, mga 3-4 times na akong nagsisend. So, sige, I just wanted to, show them that I'm committed, diba?
Right.
First project, amazing.
Okay.
Very happy. Smooth. May mga extra asks, pero sige, happy to give. Bigay natin yan. Second project, this time, I was called and I was being asked to fly to a province. And I said, but I'm already booked those dates.
Oo.
Diba? Tsaka ako din, I'm also learning how to navigate na hindi naman to full-time pay, pero at the same time, I also want to show up. Pero nung nakita ko na, malaking losses din pag nag-fly out ako, sayang yung kikitain ko sa Manila. Pero tumawag sa akin yung mismong owner. And the line was, bigay mo na sa akin to.
Lambing kunwari,
Oo,
gano'n.
parang wala na kasi ibang tatanggap na writer, wala kaming matap, bla bla bla.
Ikaw
Ako
na ang
naman,
gusto namin.
sige, okay, to show na I'm in it for the long haul, go.
Oo.
'Di ba? Pagdating doon, parang medyo helicopter, medyo yung
Micromanaging.
medyo micromanaging, ganyan. Which, sige, ibigay ko na rin dahil, again,
Di pa ka pa nila kilala eh. Ay,
Yes
first
and no,
project
pero
na kayo
nag-first
eh.
project na kasi kami, but
Oo.
they kept saying na you have to please clients, be impressive to clients.
Oo.
Ano oras ganito, na parang ako, yo, there's an itinerary,
Oo.
I'll meet you in the lobby.
Correct. Susundin mo na yun. Yun
Diba?
na yun.
Parang, relax.
Oo.
Nabasa ko, lahat tayo na brief, diba?
Oo.
But, sige, sakyan na lang, diba? Again, age gap. Pero nung third project na, dito na talaga, grabe, short but bittersweet, I guess. So, when the third project happened, again, they asked me to fly destination to cover different projects to write about. So, ako naman, okay, happy to do that. In every media junket that I go to as PR, it's very acceptable to request for an extension. When I was asked by the certain brand to fly to Osaka, sagasa yun eh, 'di ba? May trip kami ni Beshi, ni Lou, my best friend,
Sa Fukuoka.
sa Fukuoka. So sabi ko, after Osaka,
Iwan ka na.
iwan na ako. No need to pay for my ticket.
Oo.
And
Kasi magpupunta ka na ng Osaka.
basta
ng
after
Fukuoka.
the junket, tapos na.
Oo.
Si Brand, sobrang happy naman with the work I turned out. Nagpabigay pa ng taxi, nagbigay pa ng pangkain, nagbigay pa ng pang-train.
Love it.
Love it talaga, di ba?
Wow, bongga ni Brand.
So, ang sa akin, common practice yan. Hindi siya shocking, hindi siya ikagugunaw ng publication nyo.
At saka kung
Nothing.
wala ka naman na, kung tapos na yung project,
Yes.
tapos gusto mo magpaiwan doon sa destination.
And ikaw magbabayad ng...
Oo,
wala na yun, di ba? Wala na yun.
Wala na yun. Easy lang
So,
yan.
what happened was, I told them, kasi prior to that, dami nilang, sinabi, let's say, 1 week ka sa ganitong destination. Sige, sa akin, net positive yan. Take. Biglang ititrim mo ng 2 days.
Ay, grabe
Parang
naman.
malayo naman
Oo
ata.
nga, oo nga.
Parang ganun yung nangyari. So sabi ko, I thought the initial stay was this long. If you're gonna cut it short, out na ako.
Oo. But they begged again.
Biglang pwede naman pala.
Okay.
Kasi sinasabi nila, no, hindi yan pwede. Sabi ko, di pa kayo tatanong sa sponsor di ba? Parang, tanong mo lang. Wala nang wawala. True enough, pumayag. Binigyan na ako ng 1 extra day.
Okay.
Pero ang sa akin, bitin Pagod na pagod ako
Oo nga.
Our time is like 6 in the morning.
So, naging 3 days.
Parang ganyan.
Oo.
Pero gusto ko pang mag-extend.
Oo.
Kahit 2 nights. I was really tired. Bakbakan yung mga travels ko that month. And then when I was asking, biglang, no, umuwi ka na. Babalik ka na ng Manila. Ganun na. Tapos ako,
Bakit? May project ba kayo sa Manila?
Yun nga yung tanong ko. Parang, bakit kailangan ko
Galing ko
umuwi?
mag-acting, no? Parang kala mo hindi ko pa narinig yung story mga 20 times. Sige.
Grabe yung 20 times.
Ako yung pa-provoke ng mga
Nakakainis.
reaction. Go. Tuloy mo.
When they were saying, no, umuwi ka na ng Manila, sasabay ka sa amin.
Pal!
Girl. So I was like, no, it's okay. I can stay. I
Right.
live here. I have friends here. Diba? Parang, don't it down.
Relax.
Sasampakin na kita.
Sorry. Okay. Okay ba? Sorry.
Okay. Biglang, hindi, marami ka pang ibang pwedeng gawin sa Manila. Doon ako
Bakit ka ba
napikon.
nila sinutsugin
Parang,
sa lugar?
Bakit ba mas marunong pa kayo sa schedule ko?
Oo nga.
Ma'am,
Shady
sir.
sila, shady.
So I was starting to feel a bit irate at that point because it was
Irate.
So, may mga iba pang tao in that brunch, okay, as it was happening. People from DOT, people from, tourism. And when they said that, parang I had to really push back and say, ganun po. Pero nung kayo tumawag sa akin a week ago to fly me and I lost clients in Manila, okay lang dahil bigay ko na sa inyo yon. Ito, na ako gagastos ng flight ko, ako gagastos ng pangkain ko, ako gagastos ng accommodations ko. Bawal.
Bakit?
So,
Anong problema
So,
niyo?
hindi ko talaga makita yung point. In a way, I felt like they thought they owned me. Alam mo yun,
Yun
doon ako
nga,
naiinis
oo.
na ang controlling
Excuse me, oo.
Una sa lahat, madideliver ko itong article na to, never akong na-late.
Oo,
Diba?
oo. Pro na pro.
Pro tayo dyan. Pero yung ganyan,
DGPR@gmail.com. Nag-advertise.
hindi ko email yun.
Ay, DGPR services.
Hindi ka, Stacey, stop it!
Sige, sorry.
I-endorse pa ako ito, mali-mali naman. Anyway, so when that happened, diba, I started messaging you kasi talaga naiiyak na ako in that.
Oo.
Tapos ito pa, lumapit pa sa akin yung isang owner. Ganito pa ako in the middle of me trying to catch my breath and regulate.
Oo.
Dana, start smiling, That's not nice.
Oh my God! Baka makasopak ako ng senior. Dude,
Grabe, when that,
nakakapikon.
nagpa-process ka pa lang, you're catching a breath, and then gagawin sa'yo yun, parang,
And you're in the height of
oh
your
my gosh,
emotions.
gusto ko siyang sapakin. As in,
Tapos
yun
may
talaga.
pag-inon pa, may pa-touch-touch pa. Don't fucking touch me. Don't
Swear
touch
jar,
me.
swear jar.
Sorry.
Pero
Don't touch me.
talaga,
Ew.
and after that, I still had to do interviews, smile my way
Yeah.
through the day.
That's so hard. Saludo.
Anyway, ang dami pa nangyari. Ayoko nang i-disclose lahat ng details.
Yeah.
But after that day, I sent an email. Actually, tinreten pa ako na tsugiin ako. And I said, okay, let's shake on it.
Oo, dude.
Diba? Parang,
Yes.
you wanna threaten me? In the sense na, this is our last project? Ma'am, sir.
Tapos na po ang araw na naghahabol-habol ako para sa project.
Hindi lang yun It's,
Hindi
I know
yun
my
yun.
value. Hindi yun yun.
Sige. Sabihin mo na lang din na yun.
Yun din yun. Oo, na okay naman, may financial stability naman tayo ngayon. Thank God na I feel more secure and I can walk away
Tsaka
from...
you will not bend your back anymore.
Yeah, kasi yun nga, doon din ako na sayang, if these people let their ego aside,
Oo
set
nga
it
eh.
aside, everybody happy eh.
Pero you know what? I'm thinking lang baka it's not about ego, but it's more like shady, they wanna keep stuff, they wanna gatekeep. You know what I mean? Baka may ganong factor
Feeling
eh.
ko kasi ang hindi nila na foresee doon is I was also in PR. And feeling nila, the brands that they carry, di mo to pwede, ano yun
Hindi naman nila,
Pero
wala
sa
namang
akin, do you know
exclusivity
how
yun,
PR
eh.
works?
Oo, tsaka walang
Kung
exclusivity
kunwari ako,
yun.
may dala ako sa isang brand na isa pang publication, happy, everybody happy.
Correct.
Another publication
Oo.
gets to cover content, brand is exposed to a different avenue of
Right.
audience.
Correct.
Everybody happy. Yun ako eh. That's how I want to work.
Jollibee.
Jollibee lang tayo dito.
But yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, part of me is like, sige pa, alam mo, pwede pa to i-push. Pero nung I was mulling over it and I was talking to people about it, they're like, gusto mo pa talaga ituloy?
Oo, correct.
After the disrespect and the manipulation,
Yeah.
parang, girl,
Tama na.
it's a joke.
Yeah.
So, I wrote that email, sent them an email, and then nakakatawa pa na nagtry pa sila to be in control eh. Eh, nasa akin yung content eh.
Oo, correct.
Diba? Ayaw magbayad. Yung
Yung hostage yung bayad, yung hostage ko yung
article.
content.
Sige, mag-hostage yan tayo. Diba? So, at the end of the day, put my foot down and
Yeah.
turned out okay.
It ended naman ng civil, I'd say.
Civil. Just kidding.
But I'd say,
Hindi. Pero,
hindi naman tulad ng ending ko na talagang
hindi
wasakan,
naman.
diba?
Masasendan ko pa nga sila ng mga emoji eh. Hindi, gusto ko lang na, well, you know, ang sa akin is, if you know full well what you can deliver,
Oh, yeah.
and people will give you a shorter end of the stick just because they can,
Oo,
no,
fuck
walk
that.
away.
Sorry, tangina, it calls for it. Ay, sorry talaga. Sorry, tatlo yung namura ko today.
300. Yeah, so I that's one of the big things that stuck with me this past year na wow, you can stand up for yourself and it's okay to
Lose
lose
connections if you do
connections or even say it in front of others. Kung in on the spot nyo ko
that. O, on the spot din kita. Sorry.
in a very civil way, 'di ba? Na kalmado naman, wala namang nagsigawan ganyan, pero
Yeah, but yeah,
it had
gets
to
naman.
happen eh. It had to happen.
Parang, you get, don't provoke the bear. Don't provoke the Jollibee.
I got a big
Lalabas
stinger.
mo ngayon ni Jollibee. Ay, sa puwet pala yung ni Jollibee.
And ano to? Feelers nila to.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, proud of you, dude.
Grabe,
Nakakainis
pero
yung-
nanginginig ako the whole time,
Inis
ah.
yung mga tao
And,
na power trip talaga eh. I hate it.
right after they left, after I did my deliverables, I just sobbed and sobbed in the room. I was so pissed.
Oo. Iiyak mo yon. Kesa makapatay ka ng senior. Iyak ka na lang. Proud of you, sis.
Well, we learned.
To more standing up for yourself.
Yeah.
And not being afraid to ask for what you need.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
Took a while.
And it's not like to your favor lang naman eh. Alam mo yun? May mga
Oo.
weird talagang tao
Yeah.
na controlling. But
Yeah.
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
So, this is a very good first
Uy, meron
pilot
pa ako.
episode.
Wala ka na bang bala?
Meron.
Okay, hindi pa tayo tapos. Oras
Sige.
pa.
Sa tayo mong kuda eh. Yung akin is...
Kaya naman ako na nag-podcast tayo.
Well, yung akin nga is, again, going back, I just really want this podcast for us to rant, to show people where we are. Alam mo yun, na hindi na nga tayo tulad nung dati na preachy or like, this is,
Pinopromote kasi tayo advocacy nun eh.
oo. Ngayon wala
Na
na.
this is the right way.
Oo.
Diba? Pero ngayon it's like,
And we, you know, wala na yung masyado kang idealistic about things. It's just like, no, this is where we are and that's okay.
this is reality.
And this is what it means to be human.
And
Kasi meron
kitang-kita
tayong
rin.
projection na by this age, by this stage, I should be like this. Dapat graduate na ako sa ganitong struggles. Dapat wala na yung ganito. But you know what? I'm in my mid-30s and the same things I've been struggling in my 20s still keeps popping up here. Diba? Yung ano?
Sabihin mo.
Diba? And that's okay. Diba? Parang,
Basta the mindset right now, as I've said, is to journey with others together.
yeah.
Diba? In the struggle, in the weaknesses, in the authenticity.
And the wins.
In the wins, in the L's.
Yes, Gen Z.
Gen Z Toyo.
So that's where I am. And I think I'm in yun nga eh, I'm in this in-between season where, okay, I'm done with advertising. I don't want to go back there. I can be whoever I want to be right now. Who do I choose to become? I really want to do stand-up. That's my next. I really want to do stand-up.
Oh,
I
clown
feel
ka naman eh.
Oh, clown naman ako. Malaki naman akong joke.
Yeah. You're funny. Ouch! Ako, ano bang gusto kong maatim? I want this to tackle more relatable topics, more
I
fun
want to deep dive into
conversations.
all the conspiracies I believe in. Okay, we will get there. And I want to
Don't
meet...
freak them out. This is episode.
I don't care. I don't care anymore. I want to talk about the conspiracies. I want to talk about the
Calm
truth.
down. Calm down. Calm your titties. Darating tayo dyan. Pero, i-ease in muna natin yung audience bago natin let our flags flies?
Yeah.
Our freak flags fly. But we'll get there, yeah.
We'll get
I
there.
think people know that we're
People know,
conspiracy
and
theorists.
it's not even theorists. It's being a truther, okay?
Stacey,
These are
relax.
not
You're not
theories.
easing them in. That's not easing them
I
in.
told you I'm all or nothing, okay? You're in for a ride. Sure ba kayo?
Okay. Okay, sige, tapusin na natin to. Oh, sige, ayun. Oh, yan.
Oh my gosh, putting me on the spot.
Sige,
Yan kay
meron
notes
siyang
ko.
joke. Meron siyang joke bank.
Meron akong joke.
Joke box.
Not today.
Joke box. Ano ba yan?
Wala. Tsaka yung ano ko kasi, yung style of stand-up ko is very storytelling. So, hahaba pa to. Wala ako yung parang one-liner, punchline.
Sige, abangan natin yan. Sa ano ka ba? Sa Tomas Morato? Sa punchline? Laugh line? Sa...
Kapal mo. Sa Comedy Manila ko balak mag-open ng mic.
Comedy Manila.
At saka sa MOS yan.
Shusha.
May open mic din sa MOS, sa Matalino. Yan.
Okay.
Yan yung mga debut ko. Invite ko kayong lahat.
Saan? Ayan, sa Scout at Honda ka doon. Yeah, go for it. I will support it. I will be there heckling you.
Yeah.
Like, girl, you got this.
Yeah.
Oh, bagay naman. Panindigan mo yan, ha?
Oo.
Mag-guest na tayo.
Meron na tayong ginas.
Isa pa lang eh.
Pero yeah, I want more guests for the next
Si Lou
shows.
kasi, we have to
I want
book Lou.
more guests and I want more people in more sponsors. And I want to invite experts, you know naman me and my passion for health and lifestyle. Passion lang siya ngayon. Pero yeah, I want to invite like a doctor who's also knowledgeable about carnivore diet.
Pwede.
keto
Yeah,
diet.
we'll get there.
Yeah, all these things. So I really want to talk about things that's not being talked about in the mainstream media. Dami pwede i-tackle. And more authenticity, of course. That's the buzzword
Gusto ko mag-interview ng hot dude.
for your pleasure.
Yes. For my viewing pleasure. Gusto ko mag-interview ng conspiracy theorist din.
Gusto ko mag-interview ng mga super wild feminists. Siguro natong whatever podcast. Bardago lang dito.
Oh my gosh, pwede.
Tataas cortisol ko dyan.
Dream guest, local celebrity. Good question. Gusto ko
people from Comedy Manila. Yung mga guys,
Cool
Cool Pals,
Pals. Gusto ko
yan. I
ma-interview
really wanna
mo
guest Cool Pals. So, interesting din kausap eh.
Ayoko masyadong safe.
Ayoko rin ng masyadong showbiz. Or, pwedeng super showbiz, pero like, willing to get raw and real. Di yung
Si Mama Ogs.
Sino yan?
Siya talaga to.
Sino yan?
Si OG Diaz.
Si OG. Pwede man.
Juicing nun. Sige, we'll figure it out.
Oh my gosh, it's here!
Wow, can you show
Can you
it?
show it? Our silver play button is here. Oh, grabe, si Derek, di mo lang binuksan.
Unbox natin.
Unbox natin.
Baka magalit si Franco.
Ayaw nga, magalit ba si
Sorry,
Franco?
sir. Balik lang natin ulit. I-tape natin ulit. Di naman niya malalaman eh. Di naman to makikita.
Yan.
Okay, sige. Game. Guys, this is proof of all the hard work of everyone here.
Do it. Oo nga.
It's a sign.
It's a sign.
Ang platinum ay sa amin manggagaling ang number. Charis! Asan na? Buksan mo to. Ito naman eh. Okay.
Napakante kay Mac.
Ito na.
Ayan na. Tapos, Oh my God! Ang God lang pala nito. Akala ko naman para siyang plaque talaga na ano.
Recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to... Ano? Wag na basahin yung mga info card. Ay, ito pala.
we're part of this. Actually, hindi pa.
Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Your 1000th? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100th subscriber!
Congrats to everyone!
That is it for Raw and Real. We are so happy to be back.
Ganto ka, para cute.
Parang hindi naman to cute. Parang pangat ko.
We're so happy to be back, you guys, and we're just super grateful
Cute ba?
na andyan pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Sobrang salamat sa pasensya. Pagpasensya
Salamat
na
sa
rin ang mga
pag-antay.
delay. Oo nga eh. But we're really here and more episodes coming for you.
And you. Bye!